In this video, you will learn how to trade Bitcoin on Phantom, open the Phantom wallet, launch the Phantom Apple browser extension, then log into your wallet using your password or biometric login. Ensure you have Bitcoin or supported token. Check your wallet balance to make sure you have your BTC or wrapped BTC ready for trading. Go to the Swap or Trade tab, tap the Swap or Trade option in your wallet main menu to open the trading interface. Select the Bitcoin and the token you want to trade. Choose Bitcoin or BTC as the coin you want to trade, then select the token or cryptocurrency you want to receive. Enter the trade amount. Type in how much Bitcoin you want to trade. The app will show you your estimated amount of the new token you will receive. Confirm and complete the trade. Review all transaction details, including network fees, then confirm the swap. Once the trade is processed, the new asset will appear in your Phantom wallet. Now you know. Now you know how to trade Bitcoin on Phantom wallet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.